Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Coralie. I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. If you enjoy any of that, don't forget to subscribe down below. Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my braid out routine, how I achieve this look right here. You guys know that most of the time I wear my hair straightened, and that's mostly because I'm very hair lazy. I like to do the very bare minimum with my hair, but once in a while I do obviously wear my natural texture out and do a braid out, especially when I feel like my hair is crying out for help, which I kind of feel like it is lately. It's been a little bit more dry. I've been noticing a little bit more shedding than usual, so I need to step up my game and take care of it. So I'm giving it a break, and that's why I'm doing this braid out today. As I've said in past videos, I am absolutely not a hair expert. I have to say it in every video. I really haven't mastered taking care of my natural texture, but I do get a lot of questions about my hair in general, so this is just one more thing I thought I would share with you guys. So definitely keep that in mind while you watch this video, but again, just thought I would share what I do and just kind of share my journey with you guys, learning how to take better care of my natural hair and wear out my natural texture a little bit more. So because I obviously said I'm not an expert, I don't even have like a regular lineup of products that I use. So I'm now starting to experiment with more and more products. So I'm actually gonna go over to my mom's. My mom and my sister are just like that much better than me with their natural hair, so they have some better products. So I kind of wanted to try out some new products this time around, but I also figured I would show you guys what I have been using. These are 4 of the products that I've used pretty frequently when doing my braid outs. So the first 2 are these spray bottles. The first one is the Shea Moisture virgin coconut oil leave-in treatment. I really like this. I find that it leaves my hair pretty hydrated, and I really like the smell. And then the second one is the wave spray, and I've been using this one just because I don't know, I was under the impression that it was like a salt spray, and I had an experience where I went to a floating tank session and that's filled with salt to like keep you elevated, and my hair was braided and it turned out like an amazing unintentional braid out. So that's why I was using this, but this is not what it is. This just really holds your hair, so I do find that it does help like keep the shape, keep the like wavy pattern in my hair, so I have been using this. And then the 2 other products, the first one is the Girls with Curls Coconut Curl Butter, and I got this in like a PR thing or something, I'm not sure, but I did like it. I've used most of it and it smells really good. It's just like a nice kind of balm to condition and really keep your hair moisturized. So I use that. And then the second thing is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I've used, I think this is like a leftover from my mom and there's like barely anything left, but I really like this, honestly, mostly because of the smell. I'll be honest. It smells fantastic. I love the way it smells. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead to my mom's right now. I'm gonna give my hair a very quick wash, and then I will catch you guys when I am applying product and getting my mom to braid my hair because I hate doing it myself. It's quite a bit later. I'm at my mom's and I'm done with my hair, but it's very damp. I'm gonna apply some of their products. So I told you, see, like look at this towel and like clip situation that my sister gave me. I told you she was more professional than I was, but they totally played me on their products. They haven't been to the beauty supply store in a minute, so they basically have the same products that I showed you guys earlier. The Shea Moisture leave-in treatment, except this one's a different one. It's the Miracle line. I'm not really sure what the difference is. I see there's no silicone, but I feel like the other one is silicone free as well. I'm not sure. But anyways, my sister says she likes this and that it has like more of a lotiony texture, in her words. So I'm gonna try this. And then we have this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's a leave-in conditioner as well. I feel like maybe I don't need to apply all this leave-in conditioner. Someone let me know in the comments, but I will use a little bit of that just because that's my usual. And then this is the only new thing that they had to show me, and it's the Earth Tones Perfectly Twisted Curling Styling Cream. I feel like this might make a difference in my hair, so we're gonna go ahead and try this. I'll just go ahead and apply the products. I just put a little amount in my palms and just kind of rake it through my hair. Very simple, nothing special, but let me go ahead and show you. So it is more lotiony. It's like thick. The other one is so watery. So once I'm done applying the product, I move on to doing the braids. When I do braid outs, I personally just do 2 big cornrows like you see here. And so I got my mom to do them for me, and I got her to do it nice and tight, get as much definition as possible. And then this time I also added some rollers at the end just because my ends tend to stay a little straighter and have less definition. So I thought adding some rollers might help me get some more shape. Done getting my hair braided. My mom finished it, as you guys saw, and she is so much better than she says she is. Like, look how snatched these braids are. When I do it, it does not look like that. So yeah, I'm gonna basically sleep in this, and I will see you guys tomorrow when I unbraid them. It is the next day. Yes, it is the next day. I know I'm wearing the same thing. I couldn't be bothered and I had to take my thumbnail, so I threw on the same thing. Don't judge me. So it is kind of later in the evening, and I thought I would take out my braids now. I do have an event tomorrow, so I kind of want to do it ahead of that just to make sure that it looks okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbraid it now. What I typically do is grab a hair oil. I've been using this Kerastase one, and then I just apply that to my hands and unbraid my hair with the oil so that the oil kind of applies to my hair, and like I just prevent frizz as I'm taking out the braid and brushing my hair out. So that's what I do, and it just helps like add just some oil and extra moisture to my hair. Add a few pumps of that, run it through my fingers, and then start unbraiding. When I'm unbraiding, I just kind of take my time and do it really nice and slow and just really separate the strands from each other gently so that I can prevent as much frizz as possible and maintain the texture as much as possible. That is one side done. That's how it looks. Obviously, I will brush it out. Give me a sec. Everything is unbraided now, and you know what? I think it actually looks pretty good. My ends do tend to be a little straight, but I actually think it looks okay this time. Since I put the rollers, it's not that bad. This is what I have to work with. I think actually today I got some good like texture and shape. What I do next is just apply more oil to my hands, and then I just brush through my hair because obviously this is too like tight. So yeah, I just kind of softly brush through the curls and just give myself like a little bit of fluffing and shaping so that it looks just nicer and fuller. And then I'll go in with my fingers and just kind of pull at the roots so they just blend together, because otherwise sections will kind of like hang by themselves because of like where it was braided. So I just kind of blend the sections of hair. There is my hair done. I feel like it actually turned out even better than usual, but that's what happens when my mom braids it for me because she's able to do it so much tighter than I am. So I just have a lot more definition going on, and I am here for it. You guys let me know what you think. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not an expert, but I hope that you guys enjoyed learning how I do my braid outs. If you want to keep watching more hair related videos from me, you can click here or here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!